Morning guys, we're making bullets and egg for breakfast. It is a piece of toast with egg, and oh no, egg broke. That happens sometimes. Yolk breaks. You got a shell in there. Oh, egg broke. You had your shell in there, guys. Yeah, this one egg yolk broke. Yeah, well, it's okay if the yolk breaks. It'll be good. If you don't like yolk, then this will be perfect for you. Me, I like mine over easy. So I was saying, you put a piece of toast in there with butter. Well, butter the pan first. You little sizzle it around, and then once the butter's melted, you switch the butter around. You put your bread in there, put the egg in there, and then you cook it. And it turns out, you've never tried. I don't think you can do scrambled eggs with this, but you can do hard eggs, which is some people like hard eggs, some people like boiled eggs, some people like scrambled eggs. People like whatever kind of eggs. And a little here, just that one. For another clump of butter. You don't have to put a clump of butter every time, but I normally do. This should actually go. Put your bread. You gotta put down the phone for a minute. Yeah, it's looking up nice and good. Yeah, this egg broke too. We must be in one of those moods where we want our eggs cooked done. No egg yolks today. I am Panda Cloud Cooking, by the way. Sorry I didn't introduce myself earlier. I'm still working on getting my Discord and everything, and actually stream all set up. I don't have a Discord yet. I'm working on that one. Right now I'm gonna make breakfast. Last piece of bread. Oh, gotta pause you. Sorry, guys. All the toast is done. Alright, now we gotta make these, which were the inside of the toast. What's that piece? See, put down here was this one. Here we go. Those look good, guys, huh? That is breakfast. This is Panda Cooking signing off. See you guys next time.